Hi, thanks for checking out our channel here. This is going to be a kind of a follow along video. I'm not going to really talk too much on this. I'm just going to kind of go through it and fix it, and you kind of see what I do without all the talking going on that I usually do in my videos of when I repair stuff. So this is a Power Wizard PW12000. There's a few models that are very similar but different on the inside of like this one. So if you've got one of these you want to send to us for us to look at, be happy to take a peek at it for you. We work on about any brand, any model, any style, size, age, whatever of these fence chargers. So I don't care what it is. If it can be opened and we can tinker on it, we'll take a look at it. So I'm just gonna tear this thing, and I might say a few things as I'm working on one, but I got so much repair sitting here. I got to get through these, but I like to at least show some of the stuff that we do. But sometimes I gotta work on things and just fix them. I can't make a video on every single thing I work on. So that's what we're gonna do. Now, what this one does, it flashes but doesn't click. So now we tear into it. Come on, get off there. Capacitor was good. Come on. God dang, get off there. My meter's acting kind of funny. I might need a new set of leads on it. Maybe we'll grab another meter. I like that reading. Let's make sure. Yeah, there. So I need to. Let me swap this for shits. Let me test this real quick. Okay, that's fine. Let me switch my leads around between my meter and my dad's meter. And if it reads like it was before, I got a calibration problem with my meter. I'm going to have to send it in to get it calibrated. No, my leads are bad. Okay. So I need a new set of leads for my meter. Okay. Well, I'm going to put these leads back on my dad's meter. Same meter, just he uses one, I use the other one. And I'm going to order me some new leads for my tester. I don't know. It's just reading higher than what it should on the ohms, so I don't like that. So, but I put his leads on from his meter to my meter, and it reads fine. So I'm going to put my meter off the side, and I'll use his for today since he's not here. Meter down. Okay, so all right, let's see what we got here. A pair of smaller snips. in place. Ow. Oh, come on. Hopefully this is fix. This will be a nice cheap fix. Come on, blend together, you stupid thing. What is wrong with you? Oh, God, it's too hot. I can't even hold that thing. Oh. Yeah, maybe it is touching. I didn't even realize it. Okay, let's just see what happens. Let's get these wires tucked down. If this goes working, we'll be good to go. If not, we'll have to probably just replace the board, but let's see what happens. There it goes. Test the output voltage. Between 6.5 and 7, what these things usually run at. So it's right where it needs to be. I had to move that light bulb up and center. It's kind of off and down that corner there. I will kind of move it up so it's a little brighter or a little more centered. I guess I should have done that before I tighten it up. See you later.